Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this frame and Christmas card that I got from Dollar Tree. I start by removing the backing and insert from the frame. I trace out that insert piece on a piece of scrapbook paper that I got from Amazon and cut that out. I then add Mod Podge to the insert and then place down that scrapbook paper, smoothing it out and then drying it with my heat tool and then sanding off the excess paper. Next, I'm going to be using half of this clear ornament that I got from Hobby Lobby. I place that on the image on the Christmas card and then use a Sharpie and make sure to not get it on the ornament itself and trace that out and then cut within that line so I won't have any of the Sharpie on the image. I set that aside for now and then paint the frame with Plaster Color Chalk Paint by Waverly. The front of it, where that textured area is, I just gave it one coat because I wanted some of that dark gold to show through the paint. The rest of the frame on the outside got 2 coats. I then place back in the insert with the scrapbook paper and the backing. I then take the image I had cut from the Christmas card and added Mod Podge to the back of that. I then place that on the scrapbook paper before I place it fully down, just making sure it's lined up where I want it. Smooth that out and then dry it with my heat tool. And then take a fabric sheet and rub that all in the globe and on top of the Christmas card. That'll help keep the faux snow from sticking to it. I pour some of the faux snow on the center of the image on the card. And then take clear grip Gorilla Glue and place that mostly around the rim of the ornament, leaving a couple bare spots to add a little bit of hot glue. I also just take that fabric sheet and clean up some of that glue, make sure it's not falling into the ornament. I add the hot glue to those empty spots and place down the ornament, making sure that little piece of the hanger is on the top. I then just take this white raffia I get from Amazon. I wrap it around my hand a few times. This is going to create the bow to cover that little holder for the ornament. I wrap another piece of that raffia around those loops, tie it in a knot a couple times and cut off those strings so it'll just be that bow. I then hot glue that to the top. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.